Thank you for purchasing your automated gates from Killeen Engineering. As part of your automation system, you will get a Smart Connect app. To operate your Smart Connect app, you will need to download the Camay Automation app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. For the app to work, you will need to ensure that your mobile device is updated with the latest software, whether it be iOS or Android. Once you get to the login page in the app, this is all you need to do. Our engineer will take it from here when he's on site and activate the app for you. From the login screen, there will be further steps to take to set up the app, including verification. However, our Killeen Engineering technician will guide you through this process when he is at your property. Again, thanks for purchasing your gates from us. If you need any assistance downloading the app, you can give us a call on 046 95 42762 and contact the service department.